red blue under eye, and then dark blue eyeshadow right here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Red Spirit Corner. That's what I know for now. So right now we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial as well as an unboxing of this beauty box that I received. So let's see here. I have a little bit of foundation on already, and today I'll be trying, or like at least putting on the Milani blue eyeshadow. So the other tutorial I did so far, it was just a blue eyeshadow, but today but only for upper lid. So today I'm going to try out this like dual blue, and I'm going to mix it and see how it's going to be like. So first I'm going to use a base, and any base will be fine.
Well, if you ever watch a show, a comedy show called The Drew Carey Show, and in there I think there's a character named Mimi, and she always wears like this blue, striking blue eyeshadow. So I guess we don't want to be that kind of intense blue. So just like a natural blue, so things will look a little bit natural. And eyebrows. Okay, so my eyebrows are a little bit done, but I just want to like add a little bit more to it. There you go. Just so I can even out my eyebrows. Okay, so this is the new, well, I haven't used this color, so it's new for me. It may not be new on the market though. Sometimes when I see new colors, I just try to buy it, and then I save it, and then later on, you know, whenever I have a chance, I will wear it. Like right now with you guys. So this color first is a deep blue, and then this one I've already used is like a super, kind of like a Tiffany blue, but not really. Right. For eyebrows, I usually just use a brown eyebrow pencil or like an eyeliner pencil, and then I use an eyeshadow for my eyebrows because I like the more natural look of it, and also because it's easier and more convenient. Like if you travel, it's easier to bring less product than a lot. So if you can have a product that is multi-use, it's be really good. Okay. The light blue color, I don't know if it's gonna be showing up well. So I need like a base underneath the eye too. And okay, so let's see if it works, okay? Like, I've tried Milani products before, and I have like a really good experience with it. So we're gonna do it all over the eyes because I want to have like this cool, funky blue. But I don't want it to be like super dramatic where I look like Mimi, guys. Like, you know, like, because unless I'm just doing it for fun, like the artsy effect of it, normally I don't want to go out and look like a dramatic person. Okay, so I don't have a lot. I didn't bring a lot of brushes here, so we're gonna be using our fingers as well to mix some of our eyeshadow. And in a, I don't know if I've shown you guys like a tutorial, maybe not, but where I'm just using like it's a challenge where I don't use any brush at all for my makeup. It's like a no brush challenge makeup kind of thing, which is not really a challenge for me. I think it's fairly easy. So this is like a neutral kind of creamy but white eyeshadow. Alright, so I don't have a mirror here, so I'm just using this phone as a mirror and a tutorial for you guys as well. Alright, this is like one of my go-to palette. Okay, we always want, when we, I don't know, for me, in my opinion, when we're mixing like dramatic color like that's not natural, always try to blend it with some neutral shade so it's easier to control and don't go overboard. Okay, so that's there, and I'm going to use this brush to blend it out. Like so far I've been only doing like I guess natural-ish tone, even if my dramatic blue eyeshadow tutorial, my makeup tutorial number 2, even though I categorize it as a natural makeup, I don't think it's really natural. I mean, dramatic to me, it feels like kind of natural because I think it's more kind of like my style. I don't really do a lot of like intense makeup. Maybe someday, you know, just for fun. But there you go. So I don't know. How you guys like it so far? Let's see here. We just have to add some eyeliner, maybe blend out my makeup a little because I need a mirror from the restroom. This I can't really see from this. And then this one, I'm using this contour thing. It's really probably easy to use. Just have to blend this one out too. But luckily I didn't bring my, you know, brush to blend it out. So why not use powder instead of like a foundation or a liquid and contour? Because I just want like a super natural look. I don't want it like a really flawless extreme look. And go off like this. Alright, so now
I'm just gonna go add my eyeliner and then you know, what you call it, finish up, like make sure I don't have blotches anywhere. So I'll be right back. So this is the completed makeup with red blue under eye and then dark blue eyeshadow right here. That's it. So just I like to do like short quick little makeup tutorial. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the makeup box that I received.